Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a VeChain, that USDT trading pair with my customer Chris. What's going on now? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, this is a global chart, and I remind you, my global targets for VeChain absolutely still the same, so nothing basically changed. And it's around 16 cents, 61, 19.30, and maybe new all-time high 42 cents. I don't believe in the $1 or some crazy numbers for VeChain. I'm more conservative with my price targets. What I don't like now on VeChain, this one of not so many tokens which not drop to accumulation zone of 27 block. Yes, it's not necessary, so we will. And we should drop to this block for all tokens or drop now. But this is what I don't like. Technically, yes, I don't like it because it's this is a global chart, you know, and I count from this top to main support, bounce, 0.5, drop. And a lot of tokens formed the 27 block around here. Of course, if we count the huge weak candle like this one, yes, technically will not drop. If we count by body candles, of course, we are a long-term period inside 27 block. But who knows? Who knows how is more accurate count that block? Take a look. We can delete it. From that point, we not drop to the imbalance zone 32% and not drop from the low like 15% down. From this current prices, guys, the crazy capitulation, it can be like 59%. I don't think so. We will drop now. Most likely we will drop in the next bear market, right, to this block. But if not, congrats. I will be happy also with VeChain. I'm in VeChain for investment, just a small amount because I invested. And now I'm in losses. I invested because of it's Chinese token. Tech side of VeChain is pretty good one with that utility. I guess maybe the Chinese will do something with real world assets, right? Utility for this token, and VeChain can perform. Maybe not. We can't know. But the idea of VeChain is pretty good one. For, real utility for the real world. But we will see. We'll see because while the price dumping, we can see a lot of fresh, new, much better, maybe projects with the same idea. So the technical side, guys, it's a drop to 18 low by global one. Let's check. Let's hide this too. First trouble area, guys, to fix some profit is, yes, of course, definitely 10 cents. 10 cents, it will be like a psychological trigger to fix some profit. So it will be not a mistake to fix some profit. If you accumulate now at 2 cents 66, for example, it will be not a mistake. First of all, fix an initial deposit at 4 cents because we got a risk to drop to 1 cent. And not a mistake if you will fix a profit at 10 cents. Because at 10 cents, a round number, a lot of people will add limit orders to sell. So we will see the crazy seller pressure. So let's hide all the rectangles. Take a look, guys, also with local targets, daily one. What is good? The good moment is we form the order flow. So like usual, guys, basically all targets, all, everything absolutely the same. So we form something like this one, order flow. This one. So sooner or later, we will come back and sweep of 5 cents. It's just a matter of time. So with this move and go higher, or I wish to see one more drop, grab all this liquidity what we build August, September, October, somewhere for November, grab it and going higher. For me personally, this case scenario, it's much better than this one, because we will recover much faster with the V-shape recovery, right? But of course, yes, just my wishes, right? So I wish to see one more drop. For me, it will be much better scenario. Local, guys, I want to show you the targets with indicators, ADZ direction market motor. Here, this was a distribution. Now, nothing, no accumulation, we're just in the middle. So I don't like this situation like this one. Some small bounce was here, but This is not what I'm looking for. I wish to see one more drop and the variance on a weekly. So yes, I wish to see that the variance much bigger, the variance on a weekly. I wish to see the disbelief again, capitulation now, we're in disbelief now, but I wish to see the capitulation. So yes, I wish to see the red week, this one or the next one. But I'm also will be happy if we recover back higher. So technically weekly time frame, we're in accumulation, disbelief. It's good time accumulate a VeChain for long run if you believe in this project. A daily time frame also, there is no distribution, nothing, guys. Everything okay. Everything okay. Just a question of what will happen first with the BTC dominance. Are we going to 63, for example, or are we going down to under 60%? We can't know. Money power, yes, a lot of bullish signals. So here was money inflow. 2 MACD, the variance, bullish area side, the variance. Yes, we bounced it, but I wish to see this V shape. Weekly time frame, yes, was money outflow, and this is what I told you. We didn't see now the main money inflow. Money inflow, the last one was in June, somewhere 4, and August, somewhere 4. And after that, we bounced. Now, nothing. So this is what I don't like. Here we touch the top, and I wish to see that drop here, test some the variances and money inflow. Trade on, guys. Weekly. Sell. No signal even to buy back. So don't be trapped, guys. Don't be trapped. Daily, sell. Only buy back. No main signal to buy. Even no signal to, to close position from the sell, like it was here. So here, sell. Close position, buy. Sell, only recommendation close position, no signal to close your short. So it's kind of weird, personally for me. That's why I would like to see one more dump. And trade on take profit, guys. So weekly time frame here, what I would like to see, I want to see the test of the buy line at least. 2 cents round number, 2 cents, 0.28. This is the buy line. And of course, much better if we drop to, I don't know, to 50% of this range, like 1 cent 75. So for me, it will be much better than we will bounce now, and after that drop in April, May. So guys, all targets, fundamental value of the VeChain now on weekly time frame, it's 1 cent 50. Buy line 2 cents 0.13, 50% around 1 cent 76. Daily time frame. For my value, it's 1 cent 84. 12 time frame. Buy line, what we can retest, it's 1 cent 93. For my value, 1 cent 46. Daily time frame, if we will see the bounce to take profit line, it's 4 cents 91. So just in case, guys. But global targets, local, I showed you what to do. It's only up to you. I'm wait retest. I'm wait lower. If not, I'm okay because my spot position is now anyway in temporary losses. So guys, I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment. What do you think about VeChain? If you like to trade with my customer service, I will show in this video. Just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.